Hi class, this is Mr. G, Mr. Garcia. Now, we are done with 1.2 already, so you're just going to review it today. All right, so let's go ahead and review the whole thing real briefly so that, if you've kind of forgot, then we can go through it. Okay, so take out your paper, take out your 1.2, and just kind of let's start to review it from top to bottom. Now, if you don't have the 1.2 notes because you use your own sheet or you haven't come to pick up the notes, then take that out too, and let's review. Okay, remember what I said. Don't throw your notes away because you were going to need them when you actually take a quiz on this. Okay, you can take a quiz on this in 2 weeks. All right. So 1.2. So what are the different components of a power? That was the essential question that we answered. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Example one, we did this already. I asked you, okay, what would you like? Would you like for me to give you $100 a day for 30 days? Or would you like for me to give you a penny and then double that every time? So those of you that picked this one, you're gonna receive $3,000, right? $3,000. If you pick this one, you're gonna receive more than $5 million on the 30th day. So this one's the better deal. Okay. Example two, we actually went into the components of a power. Okay, what are the components? What are they made of? So this is the exponent, okay, and this is the base. Okay, we went over these already on a previous video, so you can go and take a look at those. Okay, example number three, we went in on actually finding out what these powers are. So on this one, we went ahead and expanded it, okay, and we got an answer for it. On this one, we expanded it, and we didn't really get an answer because we don't know what x is. And then for these two as well, we got an answer. Okay, we did those. We expanded them. Okay, now let's go on to the back. On the back, we had a long table. Okay, a very big table. And on this one, you were doing both. You were expanding and you were putting in exponential form. Okay, and then after you did that, you actually got a value. All right. For all these, it was just a simplified value. You might have gotten a number or you might have just gotten a simplified value. All right. And then for example number five, okay, we evaluated all of these. So we actually plugged in these numbers, these integers for in these letters, and we actually got an answer. Okay, the answer for C should have been 206. So 206 is the answer for C. And for D, your answer is 30. That's your answer for D. It's 30. So 206 for C, 30 for D. Okay, if you don't have them, write them down. If you don't have them correct, write them down. Okay, and then we went on to example 6 and 7. Example 6 has base 10. Base 10 means that the base is 10, and basically it's just zeros after that. Okay, that's what we did. And then on example 7, we found out how long this interstate is. All right, and then you were supposed to go ahead and do the summary. Okay, I gave you a sample of the summary. Some of you added more stuff, which is great. So the summary is, what are the components of a power? So the components of a power are the base and the exponent. The base and the exponent. Those are the components of a power. That's our lesson. That's lesson 1.2. Okay. So make sure if you're not done with some assignments for 1.2, go back and complete them. Okay. All right, guys. So next time you see me again on a video, we're gonna be starting 1.3. 1.3 sigue. Thank you.